Second command in the STPanel is set brick view. This command allows you create brick view for selected views, for all views of active sheet, or all views of selected sheets. For example, let's insert brick view for all views of active sheet. We can see three views. I insert dimension from this panel, turn off meters about, a very large panel, and I can choose direction, horizontal or vertical. In this case I choose vertical. I can choose line style, for example second. I can enter dimension for indent from the top and bottom edge, for example 600. When I enter top, indent change bottom, but I can change separately if I need. After that I can run command, and for all views on active sheet, insert break view. I can insert and vertical view too after that, but I think you understand about this command. Thank you.